Marcus Aurelius wants you to do this one thing. And it's the one thing that you're probably not doing enough of. And it's the one thing that Marcus Aurelius would do every single day of his life, but you're probably not doing it, or at least you're probably not doing it anywhere near as well as Marcus Aurelius did it. My name's Andrew Kirby, and you are about to learn the one thing that Marcus Aurelius wants you to do. Now I know I haven't talked about Stoicism in a while, but there's a chance we're seeing a lot more Stoicism on this channel. And I know that I've said that I'm not going to be making it, but I couldn't resist. So there's this quote by Marcus Aurelius, and he says, "Stop wasting time arguing about what a good man should be like. Be one. Be the good man." So one thing that Marcus Aurelius wants you to do is to start taking action. And this was the reason why I stopped making videos about Stoicism, because there's not much point just sitting around and talking about it. What you've got to do is implement it into your life. Start being a good man. Start taking action. Because the Stoic philosophers were men that worked hard every day. They didn't sit around, they started working. But why do you want to do this? Why do you want to be a philosopher that takes action? Because the way that you see the world at the moment is unclear, it's foggy, it's hazy. But by taking action, you run into these little walls. And by running into these little walls and overcoming them, you see the world a little bit more clearer. And then again, you'll run into another wall and you see the world a little bit clearer. It's the same with any goal that you've had. You have an idea of the goal that you want to get, and you have an idea of how you're going to get there. But in reality, it's not true. You don't get to your goal by the way that you initially think. And that's why planning so much isn't going to help you out in the long run. You've got to start taking action. You've got to start going ahead on that journey, start taking action, bump into walls, because that's the only way you'll be able to get over the hurdles. Stop planning, start taking action, because that's the one thing that Marcus Aurelius would want you to do. My name's Andrew Kirby. If you want to see more Stoicism, then like this video, comment down as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Just a quick one for now.